So you're looking for a free streaming application with over 400 live channels, with over 40,000 video on demand titles, and now even 10 hours free DVR. So the ability to record your live channels up to 10 hours is now included in this absolutely free application, which works great on your Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, Android TV devices, comes with a fully working program guide, doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords, and with this brand new update, they really have added in some phenomenal features. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And we can see here, as reported yesterday, Freestream officially announces its free cloud DVR. So cloud-based digital video recording has now been added to this free service, which is the Freestream. And we can see it's reported that the free ad-supported streaming service, SLING Freestream, now comes with 10 hours of free DVR storage. So it does show that lots of these big companies are trying to entice customers using free ad support services, whether it's offering more movies, more TV channels, or more features like free DVR, just to try and bring in the customers and then hopefully encourage them to maybe take out a premium subscription. But everything I'm going to show you in my video today doesn't require any subscription. It's using the SLING Freestream service. So let me now jump over to my Android TV device. And we can see that the first year tells you that you can try a subscription, a trial-based subscription, by clicking on Try Us Today. You can also sign in if you want to maybe create watch lists, or maybe mark certain channels or certain movies in your favorites. But we can see on the bottom right, we now have this option Stream Free, which allows you to access the free tier of the SLING TV service. So I can click on that now, and we can see I didn't actually sign in. Give that a second, and we are now straight into the platform. So right on the home page, we can see lots of different free movies, VOD content, live channels. Here, for example, we can see is The Goonies, very popular movie from the probably 80s. One click and we are straight into that. And we can see the option there, press up to see the TV guide, or press down to browse more channels. So if I press up on the remote, we can see that instantly takes me to the electronic program guide, where I can see exactly what's on each of these channels, what's on now, what's coming up next. And on the bottom right, we can actually see it does support picture-in-picture. So I can go ahead and start browsing other channels, but at the same time still take advantage of that picture-in-picture. Now you can see, guys, you've got channels from all sorts of different categories, from news channels to entertainment to drama, local channels, sports channels, thrillers, and lots of different things. Here, for example, for a quick test, we have Fear Factor USA. Let's press select on that, just to show you that it's not just one channel or one episode or one movie or one TV show, as this is an official license application. Everything in here, it's working straight away, and you can go ahead and enjoy all of this content absolutely free, and that's working great. Let's press back. I can go back to home, and here, for example, we can start navigating through some of the movies. You got Star Trek there, you've got Bronx Tale. And here's some of the premium packages, which it does actually tell you that subscribe to watch. So of course, if you want to sign up, you can do that. But again, in my demonstration, this is just what's available on the free tier. Then you got sports on SLING, so you got some NBA, you got some NHL, NFL, lots of different things. Then you got featured shows, you got news and business, local weather, horror, free stream rewind, new channels. Here we can also browse by channels if you're interested. And here, for example, you can create that free account if you want to do that. Now, I did actually go to the DVR straight away because I wanted to see exactly how does this free feature work. But we can see on my device it's telling me that it's still not available. So I'm guessing this new feature they're rolling out slowly to maybe region by region, maybe certain parts of the world will get it first. But definitely on my device, we can see DVR, that feature, the 10 hours free, has not been added. Do leave me a comment below if you can see the DVR feature and which part of the world you are watching this video from. Now, just while I'm here, if I want to close down the picture-in-picture, if I hold down the back button, we can see we've got the options to make it full screen, to mute it, or to close it. So let's close the video. So that's working flawlessly. Okay, so that was in the DVR, so that's not working for me. Then you've got on demand. So here we're talking over 40,000 titles, which are now accessible directly through this application. So everything from your Tyson Fury sports documentaries to grown-up cartoons, retro rewind, adventure TV, animation, anime, automotive, comedy movies. Here we have the very popular Coming to America. Let's click on that. Click on watch now. Give that a second, and we are straight into that movie, watching some Coming to America. And you notice, guys, there's not actually any adverts so far that I've seen in this application, so you really can enjoy all this content interruption free. Let's go back. Let's close down the picture-in-picture. Now if I go back to the top, you can also do search. So let's say, for example, I'm searching for any content that matches the word food. Let's type that in. This now goes through all of the categories. It shows me all of the channels that match that, including Food Network, but then it also shows me the video on demand content, which has food in the title. So a great way for you to search all of the content, all of the VOD content directly from this application. That's working great. So that is SLING Freestream with the latest update. Even though I don't have this free 10 hours yet, I'm hoping that will be added to my device very, very soon. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, you can just open up the Play Store, go to the search, and then just type in the word SLING, and we should see the option there for SLING Freestream. There we are. Now, if you click on that, we can see SLING Live TV plus Freestream, and that's the application there. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application directly in your Google Play Store, the Amazon App Store, I'll also save a copy of this application directly onto my website. If you just navigate to tdoctoruk.com on Downloader or on TV Bro, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get the latest version of SLING Freestream on all of your devices. Now, as with all of these official streaming applications, as I mentioned at the start, they do require you to have a USA IP address for you to access the content. And we can see on my device, all I've done is just open up my application, clicked on that, and we can see because of this application, SLING TV believes that I'm actually in Chicago, and because of that Chicago IP address, I can then access the content. If you do want to use the same VPN that I'm using, I will leave a link in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer they've got for the month of January. So do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this new version of SLING Freestream, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.